Thank you. Thank you for being the best teacher in the world. Thank you. Jack. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you for being the best teacher in the world.
We thank you for being the best teacher and making us learn something.
This is what we thought when we met you. You would be the best teacher. This is what we thought when we met you, Max.
You were awesome.
This is what we thought when we met you, Jake. You would be the greatest teacher in the whole wide world. True. Fish heads, roly-poly fish heads, eat them up. Yeah.